Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FAIRPHONE 5 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with entering the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter gestures, and here let's enter system navigation. As you can see, here we've got our 2 different options which are connected with the navigation. You can customize the 3-button navigation just by entering this option, and unfortunately in this device we can only customize the assistant related to the system navigation. Alright, so to set the gestures, we have to tap on gesture navigation, and as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. Here we've got the animation of how to use the gestures, but of course, no worries, I'll also explain it to you in a second. We can enter the settings icon. You can again customize the assistant and back sensitivity. You can set it on the lower or higher level, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you'll be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and if you can see this arrow, simply release the finger and you will go back. And the same situation from the left side, it works the same. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that you will make a quick and short motion, so something like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture. However, elongate it a little bit and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And after releasing, you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.